Today we are going to see about types of cell. Generally, cells are classified into two types. First one is prokaryotic cell and another one is eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells will not have two nucleus. They will not have two nucleus. Consist of no nuclear membrane. It will not have nuclear membrane. Another one is eukaryotic cell. It has two nucleus consisting of nuclear membrane. Now we are going to see about prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells are unicellular organisms. Example for unicellular organism is a bacteria. Bacteria is a prokaryotic cell. It has no two nucleus. Since it is not having two nucleus, it is called as nucleoid. It is called as nucleoid. No nuclear membrane is around the nucleoid. Have nuclear membrane. These cells were first form of life on the earth. It ranges from 0.003 to 2.0 micrometers in diameter. So as I told, the example for prokaryotic cell is bacteria. You can even say Escherichia coli. Next, we are going to see about eukaryotic cell. Cells which has true nucleus. Cells which has true nucleus is called as eukaryotic cell. It is the bigger than prokaryotic cell. Its organelles are bounded by membrane. Its organelles are bounded by the membrane. Organ means like our body, we are having different organs like eyes, nose, mouth, stomach, like different organs we are having. Same wise, the cells also will have different organs inside their cell. So this is called as organelles. Okay, ma? Example for eukaryotic cell is plants, animals, and most of the fungi and algae. Now we are going to see the difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. First, prokaryotic cell. It is diameter. Its diameter ranges from 1 to 2 micron. So its diameter ranges from 1 to 2 micron. Its diameter ranges from 10 to 100 micron. Next, here in prokaryotic cell, okay, the membrane bounded organelle is absent. Membrane bound organelle is absent. Here, membrane bound is present. Membrane bound organelle is present. Here, nucleus consists of no nuclear membrane. No nuclear membrane is absent. Here, true nucleus is present. Here, true nucleus is present and it has nuclear membrane. In eukaryotic cell, true nucleus is present and it consists of nuclear membrane. The next, absence of nucleoli. It will not have nucleoli. Prokaryotic cells will not have nucleoli. Eukaryotic cell will have nucleoli. Plant cell and animal cell. Both plant and animals are made up of cells. Both cells are eukaryotic in nature, having a well-defined membrane-bound nucleus. Plant cell. It is usually larger in size. It is hard in nature. Plant cells have a cell wall in addition to their cell membrane. Plant cells have chloroplasts, which contain chlorophyll. Plant cells have large vacuoles. Centrioles are absent. Animal cell. Animal cells are generally smaller than plant cell. It is not so hard as plant cell. Cell wall is absent. Chloroplast is absent. An animal cell wall may have many small vacuoles. Centrioles are found in animal cells. Let us see the cell components and their main function and the special name given to the cell components. Cell wall. It surrounds and protects the cell. Make the cell stiff and strong. The special name given for cell wall is supporter and protector. The next cell component is cell membrane. The main function is hold and protects the cell. It controls the movement of material in and out of the cell. The special name given for the cell membrane is gate of the cell. Next cell component is cytoplasm. The main function is a watery, gel-like material in which cell parts move. The special name is area of movement. The next cell component name is mitochondria. Produces and supply most of the energy for the cell. And the special name for mitochondria is powerhouse of the cell. Since it produces most of the energy in the mitochondria, it is called as powerhouse of the cell. The next cell component name is chloroplast. The main function of the chloroplast is they contain green pigment called chlorophyll. They capture the energy of sunlight and use it to produce food for the cell by the process photosynthesis. The special name for chloroplast is food producer for the cell. The next component is vacuole. The main function of the vacuole is to store food, water, chemical, and the special name for vacuole is storage tank. The next cell component name is nucleus. The main function of the nucleus is it acts as a brain of the cell. It regulates and controls all the cell activities. The special name for the nucleus is control center. The next cell component name is nucleus membrane. The main function of the nucleus membrane is it surrounds and protects the nucleus, controls the movement of material in and out of the nucleus. The special name given to the nucleus membrane is gate of the nucleus.